Open your articulate storyline interaction. Navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click the Publish button. In the Publish dialog, choose the Web option since we will be transferring the content to Netlify. Then select the Publish button in the bottom right corner. Please note the wait time for this may vary depending on the size of your HTML package. The next two steps are crucial for preparing your project to be correctly served as the entry point on Netlify. Select the Open option to view the published file. Next, click on the HTML file, typically named Story, and change it to Index. Log into your Netlify account or create a free account if you don't have one. On the Netlify dashboard, click on the Add New Site button and choose Deploy Manually. Scroll down the page and upload the folder containing the articulate storyline files that you created in Step 1. Select the file and upload it. Then a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the upload. Select the Upload button to confirm. Open the production tray to view your site. This will show the live version of your storyline project. Select Site Configuration to copy the link of your hosted project. And finally, use an iframe to embed your storyline project. Here's a basic example of an iframe embed code. Simply replace the example Netlify URL with the URL of your Netlify site. Adjust the width, height, and other style attributes as needed.